Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to reset Zenith Bank account password. So if you also want to reset Zenith Bank account password, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Zenith Bank application. You can see over here, Zenith application has been opened. Here you'll be able to see two options, login and register. If you do not have an account, simply tap on the register option and after that you'll be able to create an account for yourself. But if you have forgotten your password and if you want to reset it, simply tap on the login option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you remember your password, you can simply log into your account. But if you have forgotten your password, simply tap on the option forgot password that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to reset your password. All you have to do is enter your account number. After that, enter your new password and confirm that password. First of all, enter your account number. Tap on this box. Now enter your account number. Now enter your new password. Make sure to set up a very strong password for yourself. Now confirm your password. After that, simply tap on the confirm option that you can see right over here. And that's it, your password will be reset. So that is how you reset Zenith account password. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.